This bottle trick is a well-known method used by thieves. It's important to be cautious if you see a plastic bottle wedged under your car's body near a wheel. These incidents are happening more often because thieves are getting more creative. The bottle trick is just one of their clever ways to steal a car without needing the keys. All they need is an ordinary empty drink bottle. If you spot one near your wheel, be careful. It's not an accident, but a planned scam. Thieves often place the bottle on the passenger side, knowing drivers rarely check there, especially when traveling alone. The idea is that as you start driving, the bottle gets stuck between the tire and the body, making a strange noise. Naturally, you'll stop and get out to see what's wrong. That's exactly what the thieves want. They're counting on you leaving the engine running and the doors open with your belongings inside. They can then quickly jump in and drive away or steal whatever you left in the car. It's an unpleasant and stressful situation, so stay alert and always check around your wheels before driving. It's also good to warn friends about this trick so they don't get caught off guard.